Welcome. If Snapchat typing notifications are cluttering your app icon with badges, you're not alone. Those little numbers can get annoying fast, especially when you don't actually need to see typing alerts at a glance. The good news is you can easily turn off app icon badges specifically for typing notifications. And it only takes a minute. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app and notification controls live. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This section shows all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app's specific settings. Now tap on notifications. Here, you can manage exactly how Snapchat sends alerts to your phone. After that, tap on notification categories. This is where Snapchat breaks down different types of notifications like messages, stories, and typing alerts. From the list, look for typing and tap on it. This section controls how typing notifications behave. Finally, you'll see an option called App Icon Badges. Simply toggle this off. Once disabled, Snapchat will no longer show badge counts on the app icon for typing notifications. And that's it. You'll still receive other important notifications, but those unnecessary typing badges won't clutter your screen anymore.